Hit that button.
You hit the button.
Oh no, he hit it. Look at it's lifting it up.
I feel like there should be a speech.
The Tercel is off the ground. Wes, it needs to sit this high.
I think so.
31s, 33s,
I thought you were
35s.
supposed to like crescent these things in or have a nice speech like
Beers?
from Caddyshack.
Beers.
Remember when the guy did the shit from Caddyshack and he's like, it's easy to grin when your shit comes in and you have the stock market beat. It's easy to smile when a man's worthwhile and his two-post lift lifts the car off the concrete. Is this when I did it?
Then you drive off. Okay.
Kind of sound like I did 45 miles an hour,
Feel like horsepower.
Feel the tightness on that one. Feel the cable. I feel that.
I'm gonna tell you, if you do like a hammered drag on I'm finding the GTP and just put a small pulley on it and put a toggle switch on it.
Look how good that thing looks. Thank you.
Oh, that thing's fancy, bro.
I'm not doing this on my Saturn trying to figure out that fucking fluid.
Take it down, motherfucker. Oh. You know how many times I'm gonna do that?
Oh yeah. Actually,
Let's just
let's see if it'll hold.
just remember your garage door whenever you're putting a truck up there.
Yeah.
'Cause,
It'll tear it up.
oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's gonna make changing the leaf springs on the back of the truck a lot easier.
It don't feel like it goes as high as mine, but
I mean, goddamn. How far I need to go?
the 4-post I want is the one like 7.5 feet. Like you can walk cutter and smoke your head.
We when I was learning mechanic and we changed that crane on a fire truck and then it was a pain in the ass.
It's not wide enough. Yeah.
Yeah, you should have seen him do
Well,
this.
you're the whole time like getting it.
Told you, I'm gonna do that at least 74 times.
But hey, when you drop that motherfucker a little bit and you go, you're like, oh god! Every time you tap it. Every time.
England's life kind of scared for a drive, you know, as an MGB 400 voters.
I just don't want shit falling. Like, I'm fine with wrecking shit, but like, I don't want to have to clean up the mess if it falls.
Oh man, it's a lot more work.